Hello and welcome to your next car and the walk around video for the 2017 17 plate 420D M Sport Coupe. The vehicle itself is presented in the mineral grey and of course features a full Your Next Car M Performance body styling kit. The alloys for the car are the 19-inch 704M BMW alloys that we've just had professionally refurbished in the bi-colour jet black. Being a 2017 17 plate, it's a facelift model, so we've got the darkened LED facelift headlights, and I'll point out the rest of the facelift items as we make our way around this very nicely spec'd 4 Series. M Sport Plus package, including of course the full M Sport Plus brakes. Gloss black BMW air breathers down the side, our satin side vinyls, matching sidebars and YNC Mperformance decals. Over the top of the car you can see the very nice, very sought after glass sunroof. Hopefully there you can see that this vehicle comes with one of my personal favourite interior colours. It's got the Oyster Dakota leather, which as you'll be able to see now as we open the door is all in great condition and comes with both the heated and electric lumbar options, and of course having that sunroof really lets in the natural light to it. Harman Kardon surround sound. It's also got the 8-speed sports automatic gearbox and has got a wide array of other incredible interior features, all of which we're going to get round to shortly. Isofix 2x2 seat arrangement, folding armrest, and again working nicely in contrast with that lighter interior colour is that darkened M Sport headlining of course. Moving round to the rear of the car, again showing off those freshly refurbished alloy wheels that work really nicely with the 4 Series. Another introduction for the facelift was the sharpened LED rear lights. We've opted to go for the high gloss rear diffuser and spoiler for this car. Very large boot space for the 4 Series Coupe, and of course also coming with split folding seats, helping you for larger, longer items in there. Onto the driver's side, where again we can show you that this is a very clean and tidy example and everything working very nicely with the mineral grey. And now I'm going to go ahead, take a seat inside and just run you through a couple of the interior features. Starting with the power folding mirrors, it also comes equipped with that of course can be controlled using that little button there or holding the lock button on your key fob. Once we enter the vehicle we're greeted by the amazing digital cockpit, and again that'll look fairly normal at the moment, but once we get started with a couple of things you'll be able to see the differences. Cruise control, speed limiter, voice and volume controls all on the multifunction M Sport steering wheel. So again, going back to the lovely digital cockpit, currently the car's just in its comfort mode in terms of the performance mode select, which is of course just down here. However, should we engage sport mode, everything glows red and we get a huge digital speedo and a little bit of a different look to the right hand side, and this is the same for should you choose Eco Pro. And whilst this is only a little small difference to your interior experience, it does make all of the difference, certainly in my opinion, and is always a very sought after item. Moving back to the professional wide navigation and media screen we also have. This uses real-time traffic updates in terms of your sat-nav to keep you on the fastest route possible. Going back into the vehicle service status and service requirement screen, you can see there that everything is in green and we've got BMW service history all the way up to 33,000 miles. The car has now covered just over 48,000 miles, as you can see there. In terms of keeping you connected, this vehicle's got all of the regular Bluetooth telephone and audio, and also comes with Apple CarPlay, which is of course a great way to keep you connected, and also means when you've got the correct device paired, all of your screen up here will look like your Apple home screen as well. Multimedia wise, you've got DAB, music collection, USB, and of course we've just spoken about in terms of your connectivity. Dual climate control switches for these lovely heated seats, and the last thing to do is of course just pop the sunroof up in its tilt mode and just once again say thank you very much for taking the time to watch one of our walk around videos on this great spec 420D M Sport Coupe. Hopefully you've enjoyed the walk around video and found it useful, and if you do want to get in touch with us here, you'll find all of the relevant contact information down below in the description, and we'll very much look forward to seeing yourself soon. Take care, bye bye.